Hello people, today is July 23rd and I'm back with another update on the project. I spent the day blocking out a city using ProBuilder, a package I installed. Let's jump right into it so you can see what I've made today. Now, the city has roads, buildings, and cars. I'm not sure what other elements to add yet, but it's a good start. I also created a simple arena area. When the player enters this zone, it will spawn enemies. I finally implemented a health bar. It's an amazing addition that makes the game feel so much more real. However, I've noticed a few things I need to fix. Right now, the enemies all swarm the player at once instead of attacking one at a time. Also, if I keep attacking them, they can't fight back, so I need to balance that. I've only built this one area so far, but I'm worried the missions might be too short. My goal is for each mission to be at least 10 minutes long. But right now, it feels way too fast. I'll have to figure out how to extend the gameplay. This area is going to be a seaside city, so there will be an ocean view. I also added a destroyed section with cars that have fallen from an earthquake. The road will end here. And over there will be a park with trees and green spaces, so it's not just roads everywhere. This is the end of the level, which will be a gateway to the next mission, so that's the basic layout for the first level. I still haven't made the shooting animation where the player's hand recoils, but it's not a top priority right now. I want to focus on other things first, like adding score and combo system, a player health bar, more enemy arenas, and maybe even some puzzles to make the mission last longer. I'm really happy with how the project is progressing, and I hope I can see it through to the end. That's all for today's devlog. Thank you so much for watching.